I'm the guy who jumped from space.
In this documentary, we witness Felix Baumgartner's groundbreaking experience in human history. Felix aimed to become the first person to break the sound barrier by jumping from the edge of space. A story of courage, science, and pushing the limits of human capability. Felix dedicated years to rigorous preparations for this extraordinary feat. He underwent intense physical training to peak condition and meticulously selected his spacesuit and equipment. Pre-jump tests and simulations were crucial keys to success. At the moment of the jump, Felix's first 25 seconds were under control. However, at 34 seconds, he achieved his planned milestone by surpassing Mach 1 and breaking the sound barrier. An incredible achievement for humanity. However, not everything went according to plan. During the jump, an unexpected spin began. Felix had to act swiftly as he was racing against time to survive. The G-Wiz device played a critical role in mitigating the effects of the spin. The moments following the spin were critical. Felix focused on stabilizing his descent, adjusting his body position to manage the aerodynamic forces, and navigating towards a safe landing. The change in atmospheric color from the blackness of space to the blue of Earth's atmosphere was a poignant reminder of the challenges he faced and the beauty of our planet. Felix Baumgartner's leap was not just a personal achievement, but a leap for humanity. It provided valuable insights into the limits of human performance in extreme environments and contributed to advancements in aerospace technology. This documentary explores the lasting impact of Felix's daring feat on space exploration and inspires future generations to continue pushing the boundaries of human exploration.
Very first time after hours and hours inside that spacesuit that I'm breathing regular air. So now I'm really happy because even the landing worked just perfect.